So Motorola really is the David Guetta of the smartphone world right now, spaffing out absolute bangers back to back, including the great value Edge 60 Fusion, its more luxurious sibling, the Edge 60 Pro, and this malleable wee mofo right here, the razr 60 Ultra. And one big fresh new feature you'll find slapped on the lot of them is Moto AI, which is packed with genuinely useful features to make real life that little bit less tedious and annoying. It's still early days, there's still some work to be done, but there's a lot to love here. So let's have a proper good squint at some of the best bits of Moto AI, and a massive thanks to Motorola for sponsoring this video, keeping the old lights on at Techspert Towers. Cheers! So the latest Motorola blowers like the razr Ultra and the Edge 60 series actually have a dedicated AI button slapped on the edge, so you can instantly access all of those smarty pants features. Now, this is fully customizable, however. Just dive into your Motorola's settings and go to Moto AI and then tap AI key. Now, as you can see, by default, pushing in and holding that button will cause Moto AI to spring to action. You can knock that off if you don't want it for whatever particular reason. You can also conjure up a couple of the key Moto AI features with a double push, catch me up and pay attention. But there are other ways to get involved with Moto AI as well. So for instance, you got the bar right there in the apps tray, so you can type out or ask a question. And on some phones like the Edge 60 Pro, you can even load up the AI by double tapping that rear end. And that's not even it yet, there's also a floating bubble option. So you can have Moto AI constantly hovering on your desktop like some kind of sempiternal spectre. Now you can ask the Motorola AI assistant for help with absolutely anything, just as you would with Gemini. You can either type this in or use the old mic. What are Sunderland Football Club's chances of being promoted to the Premier League?
While Sunderland's odds of promotion have improved since the semi-final, they are still considered underdogs. Their recent form has been inconsistent, ending the regular season with 5 consecutive losses.
So yep, received a comprehensive and no punches pulled assessment of Sunderland's chances of being promoted. As you can see, drawn from a variety of sources. And just like with Gemini, you can ask follow-on questions as well. So for instance, when is the playoffs final?
The Championship playoff final between Sheffield United and Sunderland will be held on Saturday, May 24, 2025, at 3 p.m. British Summer Time at Wembley Stadium in London.
And what time is that in Abu Dhabi?
The Championship playoff final on May 24th at 3 p.m. British Summer Time will be 6 p.m. GST in Abu Dhabi.
And yeah, by the time this video actually goes live, Sunderland's fate will probably already have been sealed, and I'll probably either be blackout drunk from heavy celebrations or blackout drunk from heavy commiserations. And Moto AI can also help you plan your weekend by listing off events in your local area. And again, you can ask follow-on stuff like, which of these is best for kids?
From the events listed, the Park Run and Radnor Junior Park Run are likely the most suitable for kids.
And another Motorola feature that takes some of the pain out of everyday existence is SmartConnect. And this allows you to quickly pair your smartphone up with your laptop, tablet, etc. So for instance, here on my Lenovo laptop, I've downloaded that SmartConnect app. Now all I've got to do is activate SmartConnect on my phone, and the two will pair up instantly. And you got loads of benefits here. So for instance, you can hotspot with just a quick poke here, and then boom, you can network wherever you roam. You could also instantly share files between your phone and your laptop, which is particularly handy if you want to edit photos on the fly, etc. And notifications will pop right up on your laptop screen, so you can instantly respond to them without even touching your phone. And say you're enjoying a video on YouTube or whatever, potentially an Uncle Spurt special, well, again, you can just chuck this up onto your laptop screen, so you've got a much bigger panel to continue where you left off. Great, an even clearer view of my dehydrated, haggard complexion. In fact, you can even ask Moto AI to show me this YouTube video on my laptop. And boom, gets chucked up on the big screen for you. No messing about. And if the webcam on your laptop happens to be a wee bit cack, well, no worries, you can actually use your smartphone's camera instead, which is particularly useful if you've got the razr, because of course you can prop this up by itself like so, much easier than using the Edge 60 Pro, for instance. All's biscuits. Now, your Uncle Spurt's memory, not what it used to be, and frankly it was pretty pants to begin with. So one of my absolute favorite Moto AI features is Remember This. So for example, say I've been sent an itinerary for an upcoming trip. I'm never going to remember all these details, so just push that Moto AI button. As you can see, you've got the Remember This option, but it's also popped up with a direct Save Abu Dhabi Trip Itinerary option, and that'll be stored away in the memory. You can access all of your memories right there in the Moto AI app. And of course you can browse and quickly search these memories. And of course you can just take the lazy approach and ask Moto AI, what time am I flying from Gatwick to Abu Dhabi?
Based on your travel plans, your flight from London Gatwick to Abu Dhabi departs on May 22nd at 9 a.m.
It's just a great feature for saving restaurants that you fancy eating at, bars you want to drink at, things you want to see and do. Just store it away in the Moto AI's memory and you can quickly and easily find it when you need it. Now, if you're in lots of different chat groups in the likes of WhatsApp, or sometimes you'll stick your phone on Do Not Disturb, get your head down, do a good bit of graft, and then come back a couple hours later to find dozens and dozens of messages all stacked up. And you might only have a minute or two before your next meeting, not enough time to troll through all of this stuff, but you don't want to miss anything important. That is where the Catch Me Up feature is absolutely invaluable. This basically offers a brief summary of what's happened in your various message groups since you last checked, as well as any other important notifications like missed calls. And that'll save you wasting valuable time trawling through endless analysis about last night's episode of Strictly or whatever. And say you've jumped into that meeting and one of your colleagues has suddenly piped up with something that's actually interesting and relevant, as unlikely as that seems. You'll probably want to record it for posterity's sake, so load up Moto AI and tell it to pay attention, and then your Motorola phone will start recording absolutely everything that has been said all around you, so you can play it back later. And it can even differentiate between different speakers. And then that'll get stored away in your notes for you with full transcription, as you can see there, so you can quickly and easily search through an entire meeting's worth of dialogue and find that one pertinent point. And there's plenty more that Moto AI can do besides. So say for instance you find an article that you really want to read, but you don't have the time and you can't be bothered with all these bloody pop-ups. Just basically copy the URL and then paste that into the Moto AI box. And it'll pop up with a handy wee summary of the entire article so you can read a brief synopsis of it in a fraction of the time. In fact, in this case, Moto AI has actually gone one step further and gathered reviews from other sources as well, combining them all into this one summary. So there you go, that's several more minutes saved, valuable time I can spend leaning out my window, hoying still Mr. Kipling's fancies at the bloody pigeons. And Motorola has also enhanced the camera experience on its latest blowers with a good bit of AI action. So for instance, there's the signature style feature, which learns what kind of tones you like in different kinds of photos, and then can automatically tweak them on your behalf to save you that time. And you've also got group shot, which can essentially take a whole bunch of photos together when you hit that shutter button, and then use these images to correct any issues like people blinking, gurning, picking their nose, whatever. And last up, there's a couple of features stuck in Moto AI which certainly sound promising, but which aren't really particularly useful for me, certainly right now, such as the Playlist Studio. And this can spaff out a whole bunch of tunes suitable for a special occasion, for instance, but right now, at the time I shoot this video, it only supports Amazon Music. So here's hoping it gets a bit of Spotify and Tidal, etc. on the go soon. And there you have it, my lovelies. That in a tasty wee nutshell is a bit of Moto AI as found stuffed inside of some of its freshest blowers. Check out my full reviews of the likes of the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion and Pro, and of course that Razr 60 Ultra. A massive thanks to Motorola for sponsoring this video, keeping those lights switched on here at Techspert Towers. Please do poke subscribe and ding that notifications bell for more on the latest and greatest tech, and have yourselves a ruddy, wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everyone, love you!